In my last video, we talked about fighting price objections. Now, wouldn't it be great to wipe them out and never hear them again? Here's how you do that. The best time to fight a price objection is before the buyer says it. If you wait until after hearing it, it's now a real objection and a reason not to buy. Take away the price objection by saying it as the salesperson. Yes, you bring it up to the buyer. Say something like this. Everyone likes this product for the same reasons and lists the reasons quickly. It's not a cheap product. You may see lower prices in what seems to be the same product, but in the end, it's not. If it was, wouldn't it cost more? Then shut up, smile, and shrug your shoulders. Wait for the buyer's reaction before you say anything. Wipe out price objections by taking them away from the client. The key is to say this in your words with your communication style. Price objections are covered in my book, Shut Up, Stop Talking, and Start Making Money. Check the link in the comment section. Want to know how to fight the I need to think about it objection? Watch the next video.